Alright, today we got about two ships that were lost, two space rounds lost, and that was because of pathfinding failure. And that was them. Um, Found some errors in a few scripts and fixed that. No errors after that. About 10 lines or so were needed to be changed that. And everything was still going according to the bat files. Nobody had the bat files but me. They were using C++. I stopped using C Sharp and I'm on bat files now, so that works well. And we have the application window that works just fine too. Let's see here. Oh, and everything towards points at outside of the what's it called for outside of the lower orbit, not upper orbit. What you call an orbit, I would say a carousel, but that wasn't a necessary feat. That was about it. And if you fix it all, get it up. Thanks, bye.